The University of Florida will now allow 3 of its professors to testify against the state. This comes as the university originally banned anyone from testifying in an elections lawsuit. But as reporter Mike Linda tells us, the professors will need to follow strict conditions the university just put in place.
Professors Daniel Smith, Michael McDonald, and Sharon Austin were all notified in mid-October that the University of Florida would not allow them to testify in a lawsuit challenging election law changes. Documents filed in federal court show UF believed the testimony created a conflict between the state and UF. Senate Bill 90 prohibits unattended ballot drop boxes and the possession of more than 2 mail ballots by a single person. In its suit, Rising Florida argues the changes impose substantial restrictions on voters.
It's time for me to hush and let them do their business.
Dennis Baxley sponsored Senate Bill 90. On Monday, he wouldn't talk about trying to block efforts to have him testify in the case. The professors have testified against the state before. Smith worked with voting rights advocate Desmond Meade to win the right of felons to once again vote.
Our sake, it was very helpful, at least because it gave us some a better idea of the amount of people that was impacted by fines and fees, and so it really helped to tell our approach to how we was going to attack that problem.
And while the GOP didn't want to discuss the lawsuit, Democrats call the affair an example of the state's top-down management.
Is the universities the way one individual thinks they should be run, or they will not be given their allowance.
And the university has now clarified its position. Professors can testify only on their own time and without compensation. Reporting from the state capitol, Mike Linda, Channel 4, the local station.
The governor and a handful of lawmakers who negotiated the deals on SB 90 are all fighting subpoenas requiring them to testify about why the legislation was needed.